Introducing Worx WG779 40V power share 14 inches cordless lawn mower. It has easy start switch to start the mower. A single lever lets you set the height you want to cut your lawn. Its Intellicut technology provides a torque on demand for tougher conditions. The onboard battery charger indicator lets you know how much battery power you have left. It features 2-in-1 bagging and 2-in-1 mulching that lets you bag it up or mulch your grass back into the ground. It has collapsible handle to carry easily. Worx WG779 40V power share 14 inches cordless lawn mower.